There's one right here in my book of an example. It's 8y. Y is a variable, and that means it could be any number. A variable can be any number. Okay, so if you go, if it's 8y right beside each other, that's automatically multiplication. So 8 times y. Okay, now if it's 16 over b, it means 16 divided by b, which is divided. 4 plus s is adding s onto 4, which is addition, and 9 minus x, which means 9 minus x means subtraction. Alright, a variable is a letter that is used to represent one or more numbers. The numbers are the values of the variable. A variable expression is a collection of numbers, variables, and operations. And then I just read you some of the examples. This is what some of them will look like if you could see it. On the top, I don't know if you can see it because this is kind of a crappy camera. The expression 8y is usually not written as 8 times y because of possible confusion with the variable x. Replacing each variable in an expression by a number is called evaluating the expression. The resulting number in the value of the expression. First, you write the variable expression, which it would be 8y or 16 over b or 4 plus s or 9 minus x. And then you substitute the values for the variables. And then simplify the numerical expression. Alright, let's say y is 2. If we have 8y, and right beside it says y equals 2, 8 times 2 is what? It's 16. Alright, now let's say 10 over y. If y equals 2, then 10 divided by 2 is 5, right? Okay, now let's say y plus 3 equals 2 plus 3. What does 2 plus 3 equal? It equals 5. So you substitute the 2 for y, and then you simplify, which means just do the equation. 14 minus y equals 14 minus 2 if 2 was substituted for y. 14 minus 2 is 12. If it goes on like average speed is given by the following formula. Average speed equals distance over time. Find the average speed in miles per hour by a car that traveled 180 miles from Boise, Idaho to the National Wildlife Refuge in 3 hours. The average speed equals, as written, distance over time, which equals, well, let's say that the distance is 180 and that the time is 3 hours. If you divide those, you get 60. The average speed was 60 miles per hour. A geometry lesson, just in case if it comes to this in one of your algebra or pre-algebra, beginning of algebra, simple algebra. If you get it in one of your questions, it says the perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of its sides. A plus B plus C. A equals 8, C equals 17, and B equals 15. Find the perimeter of the triangle that demonstrates are in feet. Perimeter equals A plus B plus C, written as shown. And then 8 plus 15 plus 17, which equals 40. And the triangle has a perimeter of 40 feet. It's not that hard. Now, let's see. My example number 4 is the simple interest earned by money, which would be P, called the principal, at an annual interest rate R for T years is given by PRT. When you dispose $650 at a rate of 8% per year, how much simple interest will you earn after 1/2 of a year? Okay, your simple interest is PRT. And then you substitute 650 for P, 0.8 for R, which would be the 8%, and 0.5 for time. Alright, now if you multiply all those, you get 26. Because of the decimals, you would definitely be lowering your number from 650. After 1/2 year, you will have $26 of simple interest. See if there's any more. Nope, no more examples for me to show you or tell you. Hope you understood what I was saying. Good luck with this. If not, then just look it up on the internet instead of YouTube, because that's going to be my best thing for you. Alright, bye.